Today we're going to make an origami spotted lanternfly nymph. These invasive insects may be pretty, but they kill grapes, weaken other plants, and can make a huge mess. We're going to start by cutting out the pattern. Cut along the dotted line around the edge of the black square. Once you've done that, hold the paper so that the side with the pattern is facing you. Fold along the dotted line labeled 2. I like to start by lining up the center corners and then slowly pinching out to the edges. This helps me make sure that my fold stays even. Spotted lanternfly nymphs like to eat a lot of different types of things, but we see them often on grape, bittersweet, and poison ivy early in the year. Next, we're going to make our pattern into a diamond. Fold along the dotted lines labeled 3. Step 4. Fold along the dotted lines labeled 4. This will give your spotted lanternfly its nice round shape. Spotted lanternflies are really good at hitching a ride on cars and other vehicles. They're particularly good at hiding at the base of windshield wipers and around tires. If you're driving through an infested area, check before you leave. Finally, lightly fold the spotted lanternfly in half to give it a 3-dimensional shape and allow it to sit up just like they do in real life. There should be a gentle curve to the back. You're not totally folding it in half. You're most likely to see spotted lanternflies that look like this origami pattern in the spring through the early summer. Sometimes you can make them jump, although this one seems a little bit sluggish. Remember, if you think you've seen a spotted lanternfly, snap a picture and send in a report using the link on the screen and in the description. And if you're dealing with an outbreak of spotted lanternfly, check out the resources in our description for more information. Thank you for joining us!